Today we're here to talk about the all-new Ram 1500 and the Mopar accessories that are available to customize this vehicle. The Ram 1500 is one of the most accessorized vehicles within our portfolio with over 200 accessories available. The truck that we have here today is one that's off-road themed. The 2-inch lift provides the vehicle extra clearance for any off-road conditions, as well as the ability to fit larger tires for a more aggressive look and feel. This truck's equipped with 18-inch beadlock wheels as well as an aggressive Goodyear tire. On the side, you'll find off-road running boards and off-road wheel flares. Going from there, we head to the back of the bed where you can't help but notice the Ram bar. That Ram bar gives you not only a really sporty look, but also offers the option to mount our 5-inch LED light. From there, you will find our Mopar exhaust. Now talk about great sound. You fire that up and everyone will hear you. We also have the bed step. This allows an easy entrance to and from the bed of your truck and tucks back away so you see a no-stow position as you go on the road. Under the hood, we have a cold air intake, also known as the Ram Airflow, that works with the 5.7-liter Hemi. Heading inside, we have the all-weather mats for floor coverage. We have wireless charging kit, cat skin leather seats, and door sill guards with the Ram logo. From street to trail, Mopar offers over 200 plus accessories on the all-new Ram 1500 to allow customers to customize their ride and make it their own.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.